This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download OmniDiskSweeper. Now, I use OmniDiskSweeper and have done for a while. It's a great app for checking what's on your Mac and deleting things. So finding large files, small files, kind of hidden files. It's really good. It's got a great interface. And if you're watching this video, you probably already know that. So I'm right here on the main downloads page for Omni Labs. You can find it at omnigroup.com/more now. This page is kind of a little bit tricky to find. I'll put it in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and you'll wind up here. Now there's Omnipresence, there's OmniWeb, but at the top here we have OmniDiskSweeper. There's different versions right here, so if you have compatibility issues as far as your Mac OS version goes, operating system version goes, you can check these out right here. But this blue button here, blue and white button, will be the newest version of OmniDiskSweeper. So my Mac's up to date and it's pretty new Mac, so I'm just going to go ahead and click download there. We see the icon flies up, which is a universal symbol on a Mac that something has downloaded. Now, depending on your browser, I have Google Chrome on my Mac, so the files and folders downloaded go straight to the main downloads folder. Now, your downloads location might be different depending on your browser and your setup. But you will find the OmniDiskSweeper installer from there, and you just install. That's the easy bit. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download OmniDiskSweeper useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.